everyone, my name's Allie and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. I'm back with a brand new recipe video today. I'm going to be sharing how to make your own jalapeno poppers in the air fryer. These are tasty and delicious. They have that spicy kick to them while still being on the lighter, healthier side as we won't be deep frying them in oil. This is the perfect summer appetizer, especially if you have lots of jalapenos growing in your garden right now. Do a quick harvest of your plant, grab a few peppers, and this recipe comes together in under 15 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. For the recipe today, you're going to need 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 6 ounces of cream cheese, 7 jalapenos, 2 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chives. Okay, we're gonna get started with cutting off the stem and then cutting our jalapenos in half. After all of your jalapeno peppers are cut in half, you're going to use a small spoon to scoop out all of the insides and seeds. If you are sensitive to the oily compound capsaicin, which is found in jalapeno peppers, I recommend wearing gloves throughout this recipe, as you may experience a burning sensation on your hands after cutting and handling the peppers, so just keep that in mind. Once the peppers are all cleaned and look like this, you can go ahead and start making the cream cheese filling. So to 6 ounces of cream cheese, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of fresh chives. Next, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic, and this step is optional, but I also sprinkled in some Italian seasoning. And then go ahead and mix everything together until it's all evenly combined. Okay, now we're ready to start filling our jalapeno poppers. Using a spoon, I'm going to be taking 1 scoop of filling and putting it into each pepper. Once all your peppers are filled, they should look something like this. And now we're going to top them with a layer of breadcrumbs. To your 1 cup of breadcrumbs, pour in the melted butter and give it a good stir. Adding in butter just gives it extra flavor and guarantees that our breadcrumbs crisp up and turn golden brown in the air fryer. From there, you're going to take each piece of jalapeno with the cream cheese side down and press it into the breadcrumb mixture until it's thoroughly coated. The breadcrumb coating stops the cream cheese from melting out of your peppers during cooking, while also adding a crispy bite. Okay, now we're gonna throw our jalapeno poppers in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes or until golden brown. I absolutely love this recipe. It's so simple and easy to throw together, uses garden fresh ingredients, and it delivers a unique flavor combination. There's the spicy kick from the jalapeno pepper, which is balanced by the savory and rich cream cheese filling. And this comes without all the guilt because we're not deep frying them in oil. Instead, we're air frying them to golden brown perfection. I really hope you guys will give this recipe a try and make sure to leave me a comment down below if you do, or feel free to share some other jalapeno recipes or what you're doing with your pepper harvest. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.